This step-by-step video shows you how to install a HiPER 3 polished concrete floor. This 3-step floor polishing system from Husqvarna results in a shiny, smooth, easy-to-maintain floor. Besides the items in the bucket, you will need a dust collection vacuum like the Husqvarna S26, a 2-gallon pump sprayer, a mop with 2 microfiber heads, and a proper length of extension cord, ear protection, eye protection, and gloves. With the grinder unplugged, mount the Step 1 pads by raising the handle up and tilting the machine back. Mount each Velcro grinding disc onto the 3 pins with a firm clockwise rotation. Mount all 3 Step 1 pads onto the Velcro grinding plates. Lower the grinder to the starting location. Plug in the grinder and vacuum. Attach the vacuum hose to the back port on the grinder. You'll want to start the machine at one end of the space. When starting, apply a slight downward pressure on the handle, but still keeping the diamonds in contact with the surface. Then turn the grinder switch to the on position. This will prevent the circuit from tripping off. Do not lift the grinding head off the floor, as the grinding plates could disengage and be damaged if not mounted correctly. Walking slowly, approximately 1 to 2 feet per minute, move the grinder forward, slightly oscillating, along one wall toward the other side of the space. Make 2 passes at the other end of the space to enable easy turnarounds. Now, overlapping the first pass by 4 inches, make the second pass along the first pass. Continue to make overlapping passes across the entire area. Once you've ground down the floor to the desired level with Step 1 pads and removed any concrete powder from the surface, apply the liquid Chemical A. Pour the 1-gallon container of Chemical A into a clean 2-gallon pump sprayer. Then fill the now empty container with water and pour into the sprayer. Shake the sprayer well. Using the pump sprayer, apply an even, thin layer of Chemical A and mop the sprayed area using a clean microfiber mop. After Chemical A has been mopped over the entire polished area, let it dry for 2 hours. Remove the Step 1 pads and mount the Step 2 pads. Follow the previous grinding procedure. A slightly faster walking pace can be used, approximately 3 to 4 feet per minute. Remove the Step 2 pads and mount the Step 3 pads. Remove any concrete residue from the surface. Follow the previous grinding procedure. A slightly faster walking pace can be used, approximately 6 to 7 feet per minute. Once you've polished the floor with the Step 3 pads, remove any concrete residue from the surface and apply the liquid Chemical B. Pour the half-gallon container of Chemical B into a clean pump sprayer. Then fill the empty container with water and pour into the sprayer. Shake the sprayer well. Using the pump sprayer, apply an even, thin layer of Chemical B and mop the sprayed area using a clean microfiber mop. After Chemical B's been mopped over the entire polished area, let it dry for 1 hour, or until the floor does not feel tacky to the touch. Run the Step 3 pads over the polished area one more time to increase the shine. Now you have a floor that can be mopped with soap and water. Although the final sealing step offers some protection against stains such as oil, paint, gas, or chemicals, spills should be cleaned up as soon as possible. Visit www.husqvarnacp.com for more information.